Hi, today I will show you how to fold the preliminary base. We start off with a square sheet of paper and fold it in half diagonally. Now we do the same on the other side. Then we fold it in half vertically. Flip the sheet of paper on the opposite side. Push down in the center and watch how everything pops up. Rotate so that the horizontal crease becomes vertical. Fold in half from top to bottom. All you have to do now is pick it up like this and squashes together. Then lay it down and flatten. That's the preliminary base, guys. See you next time, and thanks for watching.